By the way, LABUBUs are getting stolen from people. So now we do not only need to watch our bags, our phones while we're walking outside. People rip LABUBUs off people's bags. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's go for a little adventure today. And oh my god, autumn is so beautiful. It's my favorite time of the year. So today is my first day out. I'm on my way to an appointment and I need this is my first coffee in weeks. I've only been drinking matcha, so I'm gonna enjoy this now. And guys, today I would really like to try and hunt down a LABUBU. What has Jessie done to me? I have no idea. I don't know. Like, don't tell my husband. He hates those things. But honestly, I want one. I want one, and I know how difficult it is to get your hands on one. We're gonna try our luck. See if we can get a LABUBU. Would be nice to have like a white one. Okay, let's go to Pop Mart. That's my first time. Okay, I've never been in these. This is my very first time. I don't even know if they have the LABUBUs. I know Jessie likes these ones as well. What is this? Oh guys, oh god, you can always get me with plushies. I think Jessie has this one as well. I think this is the only LABUBUs they've got. No LABUBUs. My husband is gonna be happy. No LABUBUs in the first one. Future Romina here. I just spotted a girl on the escalators with 2 big LABUBU boxes, like the whole set. And she had 2 Halloween LABUBUs as well. And I asked her, I was like, what happened? Where did you get it from? And she got it from the Pop Mart here. So I ran there. Oh, we got something. We got something. Let's have a quick look at Zara. Can't wait to wear coats again. And while there's nobody here, guys, I thought I'm gonna show you my cozy autumnal outfit again. If you've watched my video where I told you guys what I've been through over the last 18 months, then you might have seen this outfit already, but I've been living in this blanket and I love it so much. It's the coziest. You feel like a ghost, but hey ho, it's Halloween, right? It's the perfect recovery outfit, you know, and I just love to wear my little Bvlgari bag with this. I'm loving this. I don't know, could I see myself like strolling around London like this? Probably. I don't know what it is. I love leopard. But I have so many coats already. So many. Okay guys, this is one of my new coats and I absolutely love it. It gives me like this vintagey feeling. Let's unbox my LABUBU. Yes. We got one. Jessie really got me into this. Like the first time I saw these ones, they reminded me of like Monchichis. And then I saw Heart Evangelista with them as well. And I was like, it's time. Yes, Jessie, you convinced me. You want to see him? Oh my god. I think I was lucky. I got him on the 1st of November. Obviously one day after Halloween. I'm sure they had some of these left over. I'm sure anyway that this whole LABUBU thing is exactly the same what MS does, because you cannot tell me that they do not always have those things in the back. I'm sure they have. They have certain drop days when they then restock and tell everybody to come and queue up. But to be honest, I think it's like Birkins and Kellys. They always have them. They just choose when to drop them, when to release them, when to put it on social media. I'm sure after Halloween they had some of these left. Then they're nicely made. Like, let's get him out now, out of his box. I actually got scissors here because I thought, you know, we're gonna need them. Okay, is this what people do? ASMR. Here we are with my little Halloween LABUBU, and to be honest they are a lot smaller than I thought. Whenever I saw them on YouTube I thought they're a little bit bigger. They are tiny. Could look nice on a Fendi peekaboo. Contrasting colors work too. Oh, I love this. Look at this on my Serpenti Forever. That's the right size of bag, I think, for this bag charm. Or to be honest, we can just go tone in tone. Oh my, this is the perfect Halloween bag. Sad that Halloween is over now, next year. So today, guys, I want to talk to you about my incredibly ridiculous wish list. However, we're dreamers, right? So it's actually too cold. I have to put the coat on. I think it's time to put the heating on in the house. It's well, we're gonna go to New York soon, and because obviously, you know, it's our tradition to go every September for my birthday. That didn't happen this year, of course, because of the surgery and my recovery time now. So we're gonna go soon, and of course I have my New York wish list. If you remember from last year, I got my beautiful Louis Vuitton Keyboy from the Garden collection. What a find. I am still so much in love with that bag. It's the best, most beautiful travel bag in the world, if you ask me. However, I want to tell you first about something really interesting that I noticed. If you watched my New York videos over the years, you might know that I want to add a Judith Leiber clutch to my collection at some point, and I've been eyeing this beautiful snake clutch for years and years and years. You know, I'm very much in love with it. So I went on the website, Judith Leiber, and I typed in snake. Because I wanted to see what other options or colors they have available. And this bag popped up. And I was like, wait a moment. That looks just too familiar. And we all know that fashion houses copy each other. However, though, I would say that usually fashion houses do not copy specific features one-to-one. That's, I mean, you know, copyright. So when I saw that bag, I was like, that is a one-to-one copy, where the handle is a one-to-one copy of my Bvlgari Serpenti handle. And it is literally the same mold. So don't know what to think about that. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought that's more than coincidence. But let me know your comments in the comment section down below. Let's move on to Celine, because you might remember me trying on the Celine, the new Celine Tallulah bag. And oh my, so it's a beautiful black patent leather with like a golden chain. And the moment I tried it on, I was like, oh, this is a Romina bag. What are we gonna do? Comes in like a beige as well. I think I prefer the black. To be honest, I do not have that many black shoulder bags. And especially like, so during summertime, I just wore my white Celine bag every single day. And I really loved it. And, you know, I thought I want to have like an everyday grab and go bag for winter as well. That goes with all my coats, because I have so many different like fluffy coats. And black and gold would just go with anything. And to be honest, because it's patent leather, I really thought it doesn't matter if it's raining, it doesn't matter if we go to New York and there's a snowstorm. So I think it's the ideal bag for autumn and winter. And guys, you know that I love Fran, right? My JW Anderson pigeon clutch, and we took her to Berlin, and yeah, so, well, not this one, Fran the first, this is Fran the second. If you know, you know. So Fran, I really love her, and ever since I saw, can we see her little beak there? There, cute, right? Ever since I saw that JW Anderson made a hedgehog clutch as well, I've fallen deeply and madly in love with this. I don't know, do I need it? Absolutely not. Do I want it? Hell yeah. And obviously, because I'm gonna go to Fashion File again, I started making a little list of which bags I'm interested in that are actually in the New York City location that I want to see when I'm there. That's how you do it. And obviously by the time we're there, most of them will probably be sold out, but then you can easily like click on it and see if it's still available, and then they can bring it out to you. Bottega, guys, if you watched my vlogs from before my surgery, I've fallen so much in love with their Python bags that came out for this autumn collection, and they are stunning. They have like a bucket bag, they have the mini Jody, the mini sardine in Python as well, and I love my mini Jody. It's actually lying right there, and so I'm ready to leave in a moment, and I'm gonna take my mini Jody. And I wear this bag all the time in my private life as well when I don't go out to film and stuff, simply because it's so easy to just throw everything in, grab and go, and you know, you can just wear it on your arm. And then last but not least, of course, we have to talk about Bvlgari. The new drop has happened, and they have, you guys know, I love my pink Bvlgari bag that I got from them last year. This is the larger size, so they make it in a smaller size now as well, since I think 1 or 2 collections ago, and it's super cute. It's super teeny tiny, and like I always say, it gives me like 1920s vibes, and it comes in a green caron. And I always wanted to have like a dark green emerald color, and especially in Karung. I have my Milky Opal Karung in the medium, I always say medium Kelly, medium Serpenti Forever size. Love Karung because it's the most durable exotic leather. They have, however, a beautiful Milky Opal metallic mini Kelly now as well. And you guys know I wanted one of those mini Kellys for the longest time, so that's you know, still a possibility as well. I think, and Hermano Cervino. So you guys know I took my Hermano Cervino bag to Tenerife. And wow, did I love it. Wow, did I get so many compliments for that bag. Like, I think by the time we left the airport, 3 women had already talked to me on my way from London to Tenerife. And yeah, so it's such a stunning bag. I love it. It's perfect for summer. And I think that really made me fall in love with the brand. And now, guys, they do have a suede, winter suede bag, also with flowers. And it's stunning. You guys know you can always get me with flowers. Nobody would recognize that that's a designer bag, which is quite nice. And by the way, LABUBUs are getting stolen from people. So now we do not only need to watch our bags, designer bags, our phones while we're walking outside. People rip LABUBUs off people's bags. Like, okay, that was it. I need to leave now anyway, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all have the same, yes, luxury disease. Let me know what's on your wish list. I really want to know that. And yeah, guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye.